In this lesson, we're going to talk about saving your changes here in the Presentations application of Google Docs. So of course, if you haven't been following along, you'll need to create a new presentation. From your Google Docs home, click on the New button drop-down, select Presentation, and then all you have to do when you see that new slide appear in your new presentation is change the title by clicking where it says to Add Title, New Hire Orientation, and for the subtitle, August 2008. Now we know that automatically our Presentations application here in Google Docs is saving for us. For example, if I look up here in the top left corner, my title, New Hire Orientation, appears up here as the name of this file. You can see when it was edited and by whom. Now if I was just to close this, I would actually have saved at least part of my presentation. But to be sure, I can always click the Save button right here. Clicking the Save button updates my slides with the new information and keeps it open so I can continue working on it. Now if I was done working with this presentation and I want to save my changes and go back to the Google Docs home, then I would use Save and Close. I'm going to do that. So my changes are saved, I close up the presentation, I'm back to my Google Docs home, and there's the file right there, New Hire Orientation. And you can see how when we work with presentations, the icon looks a little bit different than it does from the spreadsheet icons and the word processing document icons. Now if I want to go back to this, I can just by clicking it. That opens it back up. And if I want to rename this, maybe I don't want the title on my first slide to be the name of my file. I can actually come right up here to do that where it says New Hire Orientation and click. This opens up a little window that says New Hire Orientation. It's selected and I just simply enter the new title. Maybe I just want Orientation, for example. When I click OK, that's the name of my presentation now, even though the title down here remains New Hire Orientation. So that just got updated automatically. It just so happens to be the right time, but I'm going to click on Save and Close to save the changes and come back. You don't see it automatically refreshed here. Over time, there are periodic reloads or refreshes done here, and I will see the new name of my presentation, but if I can't wait, I'm too impatient, I can do the refresh or reload myself in the browser. I'm going to click my Reload Current Page button right up here to see that it has changed to Orientation. Now, I can also change the name of a file, including a presentation, right from my Google Docs home as well. All I have to do is click in the checkbox next to it to select it, and then come up here on the toolbar and click Rename. So if I wanted to, I could type over what's there or just simply add to it. New Hire Orientation. When I'm done, I hit Enter or Return on my keyboard. Now I can deselect that file by deselecting its checkbox to come back. So saving your changes and renaming your presentations is fairly straightforward. Now you can save to other formats as well. We'll be talking about uploading PowerPoint presentations as well as saving to PowerPoint presentations and some other formats later on.